All right, we're at it again. We're actually prepping this area for varnishing. So we're gonna try put a nice fresh coat in the next couple of days or so. As you can see, it's still shiny, but it needs a fresh coat of varnish for the actual season. But you know, that's what yachting is. You always look for something to do. Do you think?
Yeah, yellow man, yellow.
Yeah, but this is, as you can see, it's actually, if you compare this area here to the newly like the capping rail, this thing is much more yellowish now. It always does, even though if it's in the shade most of the time. I think the reflection of the sun on the water, it somehow, it always fades over the years. This is very much I think it's 10 years old now. Since this since 10 years old since it's been installed. So you can see it's actually yellowish now, but we're not gonna strip it down really until probably in the next year or so, because it's quite a big job. As you can see, there's a difference between the shade of colors, because this area here is under the table. There's a half moon table here, so this is doesn't get so much of the sun, so you can still see the dark area, which is the original color. But up here, which is get most of the sun, you can actually see the lighter shade. So yeah, we're gonna try apply the varnish before the pollen arrives. So pollen should be soon. I think there's already a few specks of pollen in the last few days, but it's gonna get so bad, the pollen here. So we're gonna try get this thing done before the pollen arrives. But yeah. Well, we're back in action. I only just arrived, not even a week. No, a week now. No, Dave?
Yeah, 1 week.
So I already been 1 week.
Bit.
So back in action straight away. So they're doing all the trims. Like Titing Persil here is doing all the trims that the sanding machine doesn't reach to, you know. So once we finish the sanding, we're gonna give this whole area a good wash, including the surroundings. No, we're just gonna rinse the surroundings so we can get rid most of the dust. So to give us a chance of a perfect coating, you know. So we get going with the sanding, and then we'll wash it later on today. Persil is starting to tape up. So this is the most important part, because we are actually been planning. Persil is mapping out the whole project, how we're gonna attack this. So what we come up with, I think it's just, we agreed, both of us, is to just do the frames for now. So just these frames, all frames for now, like we do on the painting. If you can see, if you look back on some of my old videos. So we're gonna separate all these little trims, because we're gonna focus on the trims, so we don't have to be pressurized to varnish the whole thing perfectly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the trim nicely, and then once it's dry, we're gonna tape the trim, and then we're gonna focus on the bigger surface. We've done this before, but I just want to highlight it again so you guys can have an idea. The taping is done, so we're pretty much ready to varnish first thing tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for the next episode, which is the varnishing part. So you're gonna, if you haven't subscribed yet, you have to subscribe and press that notification button so you know when the next part of this video will come up. Alright, so yeah, thank you for watching, and then like I said, stay tuned.